Hey everyone, welcome back. It's me, Miss Foster, and today we are traveling to the continent of Oceania, specifically to the country of Australia, and we are going to be learning about and emulating traditional Aboriginal paintings. The Aboriginal people of Australia are people who've been living and making artwork in Australia for tens of thousands of years. So in this one YouTube video, we aren't going to be able to fully understand and dissect all of the beauty that is Aboriginal art, but what I can do is share with you some of the symbols that are often used in Aboriginal artwork that I borrowed from another art teacher. And so today I encourage you to use those symbols, which will be shown on your screen shortly, symbols like rain or campfire, and I encourage you to incorporate those symbols in your artwork in order to tell a story. I also encourage you to incorporate some sort of animal because a lot of Aboriginal artworks center around an animal as well. The Aboriginal people are really connected to the land and water in which they live, and so I encourage you to maybe incorporate 1 or 2 or 3 animals as well. So here I have a snake, and you can see some symbols as well of the story which I'm trying to tell, okay? Last but not least, Aboriginal artwork has a lot of patterns, a lot of brushstrokes that repeat over and over and over again, so I encourage you to incorporate that in your artwork today as well. So today you need a piece of paper, something to draw with, something to color with, and your paints. So today I used a pencil to draw first, my rough draft, and then crayons, markers, and watercolors. So go ahead and grab your materials and let's get started. Hey everyone, it's me again, Miss Foster. I'm just here to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and you want to see more. I also want to remind you that these videos are created in partnership with Painting Pandas, which is an awesome nonprofit organization here in Austin, Texas that provides free art instruction and free art supplies to any kid who needs them. If you would like to learn more, donate, or sign up for a live class with me, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below, www.paintingpandas.org. All right, I'll see you next time.